Have you ever noticed that transformers always make this humming sound? Most people think it's the sound of electricity buzzing through the wires, but it's not. Inside that metal box is a solid iron core. As electricity pulses through it, a massive magnetic field flips back and forth, 60 times every single second. This force is so strong it actually stretches the iron. It's called magnetostriction. The metal expands and shrinks on a microscopic level, literally vibrating the entire housing. So the next time you hear that hum, remember, that's the sound of solid iron changing shape just to keep your lights on.